45 hours, 1,445 filament swaps, a DIY repaired AMS feeder hub, and one big bag of poop. Today we find out if my feeder survived. As some of you may know, my AMS feeder hub cracked, and I repaired it with Gorilla Glue and a soldering iron so that I could continue printing while I waited for Bambu to let me know if they'd replace it under warranty. And you voted for me to continue with the repair rather than replacing with the new, so today we're stress testing it in the most extreme way. This Spider-Man bust forces 1,445 filament swaps. This is AMS boot camp, non-stop color changes. If the repair was weak anywhere, this print will reveal it. I knew this would produce a ridiculous amount of poop. I started printing Saturday morning and immediately the color swaps began. But I happened to notice that there was a white stripe in the middle of the print that shouldn't be there. And that took me down the rabbit hole, but I'll come back to that in a moment. I honestly wasn't sure if it was going to last 4 hours, never mind 45, especially when I got one filament tangle early in the morning that I fixed and the print resumed, but it did make me worry what would happen in the night while I was sleeping. Sunday morning somehow it was still going strong, but I still didn't know if it was going to actually complete the print or not. The repaired AMS survived the torture test, all 1,445 swaps. Now the fun part, this whole bag of poop came from that one print. If you want to play a little game, drop a comment below guessing how many grams is in this bag, and in 2 days I'll give a shout out to whoever got the closest. Now about that unexpected turn. On Saturday morning I noticed while it was printing that it was creating white infill in the base where there was no white on the exterior. Every one of those white lines in the base that doesn't show up on the exterior is an extra swap and extra wear and tear on the printer. It also extends the print time. And I figured out why it happened on this model, and I know how to fix it. But that's the next video, so make sure that you're subscribed. I'm Mayhem Smiley, and this is Down to Earth 3D Printing Tips. Make sure you watch this video next, and thanks for watching. See you next time.